Hello guys, we're back with another video and we are going to do part 2 platformer. So, I've actually already made some platforms and we need the cat to actually land on them. So, what we'll do is let's grab an if then statement and then grab if touching color and then I'll put that color. Then we will change y by 1. And I can just put it like right here, I guess. So if touching color, change y by 1. So it should, I think maybe we did something wrong. Oh, maybe we do, hold on, give me a second. One second. So it's okay, so what we're supposed to do is we're supposed to, give me a second, I need my resources because I'm so bad at remembering. So 1 second. Okay, so what we're supposed to do is that's not what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to go to the define up and down and we'll grab if touching color this thing. Then we'll do if the y if y velocity equals to, or it beats, actually it's supposed to be beat. Yeah, it's supposed to be beat, not equal. So if touching, no wait, not touching color. If y beats 0, we'll do repeat until not touching color. So yeah, we can just grab this touching color and then that not touching color. Okay. Repeat until not touching color. Then we'll change y by -1. And sorry, this is supposed to be else, not if then. So if then else, just put these blocks back. Grab this, then, and then we'll do, let's take this out. We'll do this, and we will, actually this is supposed to be -1. This one's supposed to be 1. Okay, so now, and we will set jumping to F like that. And then we will set y to 0. So I believe it should work now. Let's test it. Up. Why is it not working? 1 second. Oh yeah, we forgot to add one more block, sorry. Change y by y. And we can just delete this one here. Think it should work. Let's take this out. Oh, I forgot to grab the up and down block. That's why it did not work. Okay, so now it should work. Oh, but it's going so slow. That's a big problem. And it still went through. So I believe. Oh, okay. So this is supposed to be like. Oh yeah, this one's supposed to be else, sorry. This is else. I don't know why I'm confusing myself. And this one is supposed to be. Oh, this one's supposed to be if then. Sorry. If then. Let's take that out. If touching color, that. Grab this, put that there. Repeat until not touching color. This too. And then this. I believe now it should work. Why is it going up? Let's find out. Um, that is strange. I'll have to see. Okay, so guys, this is supposed to be first. Now it should. Yeah, but it still like works. I mean, yeah, we didn't create up arrow, but we did space. And this cat we should probably make smaller, so I'm just gonna set size to 60, I believe. I think 60 is a good size. Yeah, I guess that's fine now. Yeah, so if you guys want, if you want this to be on mobile, let me show you how that works. So if key, right arrow pressed, or uh, if if mouse mouse down and X beats 50, I believe. X beats beats 50. So I think it should work. I have no idea. Oh yeah, it's not working. I'll have to see that after. Yeah, that's just my friend's game. Okay, so let's just not worry about the the mobile right now. I'll put that in part 3. Okay. So we also need to create for up and down. Yep, so we need to create move horizontal block or move left and right. So I'm just going to name it left and right. And watch this because you're supposed to run without screen refresh. So run without screen refresh and we'll click OK. So make sure you click run without screen refresh. So now we should get this another define block just like we got the other one. And we can put the left and right here. Okay, let's just delete all these blocks. All right, so now we have a left and right define block. So now we need to, it's kind of the same thing as the move vertical, but it's a little bit different. So what we need to do is we need to, we'll need to do, actually we'll just take this block, but things will be different. We don't need jumping, so we don't need Y either. We need X on these ones. So change X by -2, I guess, and then 2. Or I think it's the other way around. I think it's the other way around. Let's test. First, let's check. Okay, it's the other way around. So it's left and right. Also need to change X by, well, we already did that, so just like that, change X by X. All right, oh, this is supposed to be X, that's why we've got it wrong. So what this will do is basically it will make this game so that like you'll try kind of to bounce off. So like for example, if you like hit the sides, it's kind of like that thing. It just bounces you off. Also, we need to fix why is it getting through the platforms? Because you see, actually it's not getting through the platforms, but like this is going. Oh, I made another mistake. Up and down is supposed to be run without screen refresh, and I forgot that. So we need to create one more. Let's delete this so that. Let's delete this and this. Just make one more. Up, up and down. And make sure you run without screen refresh. Click OK. And I think up and down, yeah. So you just do that. And then we do up and down here. Okay, so I think we got it. Okay, yeah, we got it. Yep, you see that? Okay, so now for lava. I'm gonna create a separate sprite. Actually, we need to add a door so we can get to the next level. Let's make a new sprite. We'll call this next level. Next level. Okay. Now we're gonna add. Let's make it gray. We don't want that because it will bounce off and it won't work properly. So we need to do this. Just make a little door. It's a little big. Probably just like up. That's okay. We need some circles, so we need white brightness. Then we need white brightness for the door handle. Okay, so you got a door handle. Nice. Now we can just position it in places. I'm gonna actually make it smaller. If you guys want to see which one you want first, which one do you want? Do you want the door or do you want like the exposition, so if you like hit the other side of the place, then you go to next level. But I'm gonna show you door for now. I'll show you the exposition later. Okay, so we got a door handle, and then we also need to do actually when flag clicked, we will do show. Just like that. Also, we need to make it so that positions. So, actually, let's first name this one bet1. Okay. So we'll do when I receive. Actually, no. Yeah. When I receive start the game. Always. We'll grab this and then we'll do switch costume to this. So what this will do is it will switch to the same number. So actually we'll need to first change this. Actually don't know why costume number. Yeah, so we're not okay, yeah, sorry, never mind, there was a stage. So backdrop members. So we do this, and every time when flag clicked, it will switch costume to that. Well, I don't know if it really matters, but like, okay. Alright, so now we need to make it so that if this thing touches that, then it will go to the next level. So what we'll do is we'll do if, oh, let's stop that. If touching next level, we can just like broadcast next, next, next. Okay, so, and this thing we will do when I receive next, we'll do next costume, obviously, next backdrop. We'll do when flag clicked, switch costume, switch backdrop to backdrop one. I always think of costumes because, and yeah, so just have this thing. And we want this cat to start at a certain position, like here, for example. So what we can do is do when flag or when I receive start the game, we can do you can just do that go to X thing. But every time you do this, you have to make sure it's on the right type. Like, for example, you could even start in the air. You can make this start in the air like this. But a lot of people will try to jump in the air and go over the platform. So I don't recommend it, but for you guys, I'm just going to do this. So 205. Oh, why did it do that? I don't know how to fix that. Maybe I have to just drag it here again. I guess we have a new number now. 212 and then negative 101. So like that. So it'll just start like that. See? Yeah, you saw that. Okay. So now this is next level, but we need to also add lava. So what we can do is if you want to add lava on your first level, what I recommend is we can just cut a portion of this ground like this. And we can do like because if you see, we need to make sure this cat, if touching this, like this level, then it will just like do that. So like we'll do if if where is it? Mm, do if exposition is equal to maybe exposition is equal to negative 194. We can broadcast start the game. Okay, so we should do it. It should. Why is it not doing it? Maybe I'll do. Actually, yeah, this is a better idea. Let's go like 2 numbers before. 193. Actually, we're not gonna put in there. If exposition beats negative 193, we'll broadcast start the game. So it should. Yeah, I don't know why it's. Maybe it thinks like. Yeah, so we'll have to do like. Oh, we're doing X position, so we need to do Y position. I'm so bad at this. If Y position, and I forgot the position because we're different. Yeah, I can just bring that down. If Y position beats, yeah, so I guess that's good. Yeah, see, it says false, so it didn't happen. Can you go back, please? It's kind of a bug. We need to fix that. Yeah, you saw that? Oh, I know a better idea. What we can do is just duplicate this. No, not add comment. Duplicate this. Just delete this. And then put this here. And I believe it should work. Not even Y position. I know. Let's do if Y position equals to 194. Now it should work. 194. Go to X. Okay, so if it does, yeah, so you see that. If you want to add lava, you can do the same thing. So like we do, for example, let me grab some lava. Let's name this lava. And then we can just make this red, all red. Draw some little squiggly lava. And then if you don't want it, like you can see that it shows in the front. Let's bring it lower so that, gee, that's way too low. I know, let's do when flag clicked, we'll go back to layer, go to back layer so that actually that's the, I might have to do dual size, but I'll give you an example of what it looks like. Okay, guess that's good. And then we will just make it that. So now we have this, we'll do, we just do the same thing. So like if touching color, that, or actually, if we have different colors of that, we don't want to do that. So we'll just do if touching lava. Now I believe it should work. Yeah, see? So it just goes back to level. And the space works so we can go to the next level. But we didn't add next level, so like, see, but we didn't add two backdrops, so we can't do that. So we need to, yeah, okay, let's do that. Name this 2. We can make like this color type of thing. Undo. We need to do the same color, so let's just take this and then we need to make sure the line thickness is 20 like before. God. Oh. Um let's convert to bitmap so we get the same color. Let's make this, 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 and then maybe like this. I guess that's good. So yeah. Actually, we need to make sure it's at the same position. I'm pretty sure you guys know how you would move this thing. Like, right? Okay, so if we test it, should be able to do this, this, up, yeah, and then go to this. And I believe it should work. Okay, so we got to the next level. But our score didn't change, so we need to do change score by 1. Change level. Yeah, change level by 1. And then if people want where you can go back a level but not on the first score, then we would do if level equals to, yeah, this is good. Level equals to 1, then we will do nothing, and then else we'll do just broadcast new message. We'll call it back a level. If you guys want this, where it will go back a level, then you can just do this code, this little small code, or you don't have to. Okay? So if level equals 1, then go broadcast back level. And then we also need to do this when I receive next costume, and then we will do the same thing for this, or this one, if we want it to go back a level, when I receive back a level, then switch backdrop to backdrop number -1. So that's how we go back a level, unless people want that to happen. So if we test it, that up, why is that doing that? Don't want that to happen. If you think this is kind of a bad thing where you add the door, we'll make it so that if the player gets to this side, it will go to the next level. So what we need to do is we can just take this out, and then if exposition is equal to, then we'll put the exposition. Yeah, okay. So we'll put the exposition. Actually, we didn't want to. Actually, it's working fine on the next level. So if exposition goes to 253, I guess, 253, then we can broadcast up, next, and then go to 282, blah, blah, blah. So, why did it do that? Like that. I believe it should work now. People are wanting to take this path. Why is that? Don't want it to do forever. Let's do this. I don't know why it's doing that. There's probably an issue. I could probably fix that. I receive next. The problem is not going back like to 212. So probably we should let this go to 212 before broadcasting. I think that's a better idea. Let's try that. Oh my gosh. Do it again. Oh God. So it's not working properly. Let's fix this. I believe the problem is because we are going back a level. Because if I do that and try, I think it should, like, yeah, so it didn't do that glitch that much. But one thing we could fix is, you see, because it wasn't doing that, it kept doing the glitch where it was touching the ground at the same time as going back a level. So if you don't, it's not really a good idea to add back a level, so I'm just gonna delete it. But you guys can keep it for your fun. So now the next level we're gonna add is a moving platform. So I'm just going to make another costume. Probably add some, let's make it so that we get the same color. And we need to convert to bitmap. Now we can just go like this, making a weird swirl thing. And here is where we want to add our moving platform. So all we need to do is we need to add like this little thing, small platform, where this is gonna move. Okay, so I have an idea. If we want, so this, we can call this moving platform form. Okay, that's good. And now what we do is we do, so for the moving platform to move, we need to do when I receive start the game, we'll hide, we'll also add, so do if else, we'll do backdrop number of stage is equal to 2. We can show, and then we need to do, so I have an idea. If we were to do here, so we do go to X that, and then we do glide 1 second to X, then maybe we can just go like down a little. Do -41. You need to duplicate. Don't change the X because it'll go like this way. It'll go diagonally, not straight. So we want it to go straight. Unless you want your platformer to do that. I mean. And then maybe we'll do just forever. Just like that. So we test it. Should possibly work. Actually, this is the second level. How about I do this? We'll do separate one. We'll do like this, and then we'll do this. When I receive start the game, I believe. Okay, if we go to this level, yeah, we're not doing it yet. So like, because we didn't play forever, and we're supposed to do level 3, not 2. Did I do level 3? Yeah, I did level 3. So we need to do 3, not 2. 3. Okay, let's do it again. Okay, so we have this thing. Oh, I died. Do it again. That's hard. Okay, next level. Yeah. Wait, no. Why is it not doing it? Actually, we're supposed to do this. Oh yeah, that's why it didn't work. Okay, so now if we do it again, it's supposed to be the other way. If you have the X position, Y position ready, you're supposed to do the opposite first. I realized just now. See, so now it should potentially work. And of course, my thing's not there, so to just create like a little line for that. Okay, now, okay. So yeah, it takes us up and down. That's awesome. And you can add more lava and stuff. But I'm just gonna, yeah. So if we go again here, it should take us to the first level. And we didn't get back because we didn't, um, let's just add that because why not? Don't put it there. We're supposed to do if level equals to 1. This is actually supposed to be if else or if then else. If level equals 1, don't put anything, and then we'll do broadcast back level. And where's a good spot where we're gonna go back a level? Probably like here. We can just go like go to X, and then we can just put that position. It's okay like that. 223, and it says 114, so negative 144. So I believe if we do that, let's go here. Just go the other. Oh, why did I do that? Actually, I know why it didn't work. You need to make it so that like it goes to a certain exposition, and then yeah. So we do if exposition equals to negative 240. That's the left side of the screen. So it's not working here, but if we try to go, why did I do that? Well, I'm bad at this game. So, oh yeah, I forgot to do where we change. We switch cost pick backdrop, the backdrop number -1. If we do it now, believe, yep, we go back. So there you have it. This is the tutorial on how to make a Scratch platformer. Thank you guys, and I'll see you next time.